You found affordable day trading with the Micro Eminis. I'm Don Singletary and welcome to the channel. Today's featured trade is on the 6th of June. The market had big gains on the previous Friday and rather lackluster yesterday on Monday. And the start in the morning today was rather reserved. And today I'm trading the MNQ, the NASDAQ100 Micro Emini. It trades at $2 a point, and I'm using the 5-minute candlesticks. As you can see, at 9:30 as the market opened, those first two red candlesticks, for the first 10 minutes, the MNQ drops down 50 points. That's quite a lot. That blue arrow in the MACD is really negative, so at 9:42, 12 minutes after the market opens, I decide to short one contract of the MNQ. Here's why I decided to do this trade at this particular time. I felt the downtrend was strong enough that I would risk $21.50 that trend's going to continue. That's the game on this trade. Always trade the E-minis with the 5-minute candlesticks and the MACD. If you're new, be sure to take a look at the text below this video. It'll show you I have a link down there for how I enter trades with a thing called the bracket OCO. One cancels the other order. Look at that text below the video for some video help on how to do that. Things are happening quickly now. I think the most drawdown I had right at the first of this trade was like $1.50. I take my tasty trade mouse and I click and drag and I move that stop down to 15,543. My stop's 3 3/4 above my entry price. Max risk now is only $7.50. And the trade price, look at the blue circles there, is down to 14,527. So I'm up about $22 to $24 on the trade already. I got out my tasty trade mouse again, and this time I'm going to turn this into a free trade. Now I know nothing's free, but when you're short and you have your stop below the entry price, then you can't lose a penny out of your account. So that's why I call it a free trade. Your number one priority in every single trade should be to start reducing that risk right at the get-go of the trade. Remember, as I entered the trade, I just wanted to make a few quick bucks. I never dreamed that in 83 seconds I'd make $28. This is certainly high-risk trading, but you also get the chance for immediate rewards. Now stay tuned because I've got a second trade. I got back into the same trend 21 minutes later. Made some more money. I'm going to show that to you coming up next. You're invited. Join our 20,000 or so subscribers so you won't miss the new videos up on the channel. You'll get notified. Be sure and click that bell. How'd you like that tasty trade mouse? See it, click it, trade it. To click that thing and drag it, move your stops. Look for the broker link if you want more information. That's in the description, the text below the video. Thank you. I count the likes on each video on the channel and do sort of a tally there because that helps me learn what kind of videos you, the viewer, want to see most often. So hit that like button. I'd really appreciate the help. Thank you. Now here's a second trade. Everything's the same. Just 21 minutes later, I put my initial stop up at 14,550 and immediately I get my tasty trade mouse and reduce the risk on this trade. I'm up about $12 or $14 in unrealized gain. Maximum risk on the trade is now only $7. Almost a free trade. Checking in with the blue circle in the bottom pane there, you can see the MACD indicator still shows the downward move in prices. We have that momentum there. By the way, if you're new to the micros, or maybe not totally new, take a look at the book link in the description below the video. I have the book there. I wrote it shortly, almost 4 years ago now, when the Micro Eminis came out. The book is exclusively about trading the Micro Eminis, nothing else, so I managed to keep the book short. You know, it really helps when you're learning these things, not only to know what's important and understand the terms, but also it saves a lot of time and a lot of money by knowing what's not important. It's a short book, a quick read, and tens of thousands of people have used it to learn to trade the Micro Eminis under $20 with free Prime delivery. Read some of those 450 5-star reviews, will you? We're getting down to the wire here. We're trading down to 14,534 right now, and I'm taking my tasty trade mouse, going down again, trying to capture some money here, and I'm stopped out. Let's count the money. So I went to work at 9:30. At 10:04, I'm out of both trades, made a total of $47.50 in a time span for both trades of 36 minutes. The first hour of the market at opening is one of the best to trade, although I don't trade, like I said, in that first 10 or 15 minutes. It's too volatile for me, a little bit too risky. But once you see the trend, you can jump on it sometimes and make a couple of bucks like we did here. Remember, there's over 160 free, absolutely free videos. Also, down in the description text under this video, I got a free trade simulator. You can find out about Tasty Trade. There's a beginner's playlist. Lots of free things down there, so check it out. Thanks for being along today. It sure was a lot of fun, and we made a little bit of money in just a little bit of time. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.